Hello, my name is Abdul Munir and this is my short film analysis for the film 10 ringgit. Alright, quick synopsis. This film shows how small 10 ringgit note is being used by different people from different backgrounds for their own different purposes. Alright, the 10 ringgit note is first passed from a posh lady to a vendor. Then the vendor's daughter passes the note to another vendor's son, who then passes the note to a hooker, who then passes the note to a cashier, who then passes the note to a child beggar, who then passes the money to his mother, who then passes to the bill collector, and the bill collector passes the money to a posh lady who was there from the start. The short film is already revolving around in a circle. The thing I really like about this short film is how the filmmaker used the long take technique to tell the story. Simply speaking, the filmmaker do not need to shoot the whole short film in a long take, as the nature of the story itself is enough to portray the short film's fluidity and circling around, if that makes sense. But the filmmaker's decision to use the long take technique has helped the short film to propel further by appealing to the avid film goers and the general audience. But first, how does a filmmaker achieve a long take? Oftentimes, films that look like it was shot in one take is usually made out of multiple shots that are directed, filmed, and edited with red mastery in order to achieve the one take look. One of the oldest tricks in the book is by changing the shot by ending a shot with a dark frame and starting the next shot with a dark frame. See how seamless it is? Okay, man, that was pretty smooth, but let's move on. So why the filmmaker wants to use the long take technique? Is it just because it looks nice and it appeals to the general audience who thinks, whoa, gimbal shot, oh man, it's so smooth, oh nice huh, oh bro. Of course, but it is to a certain extent. The long take technique is used to create a sense of fluidity in the short film, where it provides the audience the sense of smooth and easy motions. This can be attributed to the usage of the stabilizer and the seamless editing. Yes, I do sound like I'm appealing to the regular viewers, but this can be seen from a formalist point of view. A formalist is someone who practices the formalism theory. Formalism theory is basically how the forms in films are used and manipulated in order to achieve a different kind of outcome, rather than just following the norms of the forms. Instead of the regular filmmaking practice, which is using a variety type of shots and noticeable cuts, the filmmaker for 10 ringgit manipulates the form by going against it, and in the end delivers a different but still effective short film. To wrap this up, the film 10 ringgit provides the audience with a visual pleasure while also arousing the mind of avid film goers with its execution. That's all. Thanks.